Pick up a handful of seeds, any seeds, chia, sesame, sunflower, hemp. They weigh almost nothing. They take up almost no space. A fistful fits in your pocket. And yet, these tiny structures sustained warriors on journeys of days without stopping, built the first trade routes across 3 continents, were buried in the tombs of pharaohs as provisions for the afterlife. Some were so valuable they were used as currency. These are the seeds that humans chose across 10,000 years, on every continent, before anyone compared notes. This is every one of them. Chia. The word itself means strength in the ancient Mayan language, and the Aztecs knew exactly what they had. Warriors and messengers carried chia on long journeys because a single tablespoon could sustain them for hours. That reputation held up. Modern science confirmed it. 1 ounce of chia contains nearly 10 grams of fiber and almost 5 grams of protein, and the seed absorbs up to 10 times its own weight in water. That water absorption is the key. It slows digestion, steadies your energy, keeps you full. The Aztecs understood this 3,000 years before nutrition labels existed. How to use it. Add whole to water or juice. Make a pudding. Sprinkle over anything. Chia has almost no flavor of its own, which makes it one of the most versatile seeds on this list. Flaxseed. This is possibly the oldest crop humans ever cultivated, not just for food, for everything. Its fibers were spun into cloth, used to wrap mummies in ancient Egypt. Archaeologists found flax in Stone Age dwellings. The Latin name for flax is Linum usatitissimum. It literally means most useful. That's not marketing. That's a scientific name acknowledging a plant that helped build civilization. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed give you about 4 grams of fiber, and flax contains up to 800 times more lignans than any other plant food. Lignans are plant compounds with powerful antioxidant properties. You could eat the entire plant kingdom and still not find another source like this? Here's the critical part. Whole flax seeds pass through your body largely undigested. To get everything flax has to offer, grind them first. That one small step unlocks the full nutritional value. To get the full benefit, grind them. Buy them pre-ground, or grind fresh with a coffee grinder. Add to oatmeal, smoothies, or use as a base for baking. Sesame, the oldest oilseed crop in human history, and the origin of one of the most famous phrases ever spoken in a story. Open Sesame, from Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves, references something real about this plant. When sesame pods ripen, they burst open on their own, seemingly by magic. Early farmers could hear them split and simply collect the seeds from the ground. The plant announced itself. Sesame was domesticated over 3,000 years ago. Ancient Egypt called it sesemt. The Assyrians used its oil for cooking and medicine. Hindus considered it sacred. It earned the name Queen of Oilseeds because of its extraordinarily high oil content, up to 60%, and its remarkable resistance to rancidity. That resistance made it the world's first commercial oilseed. It traveled the ancient trade routes because it didn't spoil. In a world without refrigeration, that was everything. How to use it? Toast lightly to unlock the nutty flavor. Use tahini, ground sesame paste, as a base for hummus or dressings. Sprinkle whole seeds over rice, breads, and soups. Sunflower seeds. A plant so visually striking it became a symbol of the sun itself across multiple ancient cultures. But the seed is even more impressive than the flower. One serving of sunflower seeds delivers nearly 40% of your daily requirement for vitamin E. Vitamin E at that concentration is rare in whole foods. Most people associate it with expensive supplements. It's been sitting in sunflower seeds the entire time. The same serving also provides a significant amount of selenium, a mineral studied for its role in DNA repair and protection against oxidative stress. How to use them? Raw or roasted, sunflower seeds work everywhere. Salads, granola, baked goods. Sunflower butter is also a remarkable alternative for anyone who avoids tree nuts. Same creaminess, completely different story. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas when the hull is removed. The Americas gave the world corn, tomatoes, potatoes, and chocolate. They also gave the world this. Archaeologists believe pumpkins originated in the Americas more than 7,000 years ago. Early Mesoamericans cultivated them for their flesh. It was only later that people began to prize the seeds, a shift that turned out to be one of the best nutritional decisions in pre-Columbian history. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest plant sources of zinc, a mineral fundamental to immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. They're also packed with magnesium, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Zinc from plant sources is genuinely hard to find in this concentration. Pumpkin seeds are one of the few whole foods that deliver it consistently. How to use them? Toast lightly with a pinch of salt. Add to salads, grain bowls, or soups. Pepitas, the hull-free version, blend perfectly into sauces and are a staple in traditional Mexican cooking. Hemp seeds, possibly the most misunderstood seed on this list, and arguably the most nutritionally complete. Hemp has been cultivated for thousands of years. Its origins trace back to Central Asia, and it reached Europe during the Bronze Age, nearly 5,000 years ago. For most of human history, hemp fed populations, clothed them, and provided oil for their lamps. One of the most historically useful plants ever cultivated. Hemp is one of the oldest cultivated plants on Earth, and what it offers nutritionally is extraordinary. What they do have is an extraordinary nutritional profile, around 10 grams of protein per ounce, more than any other seed, and it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein from a plant source. Complete plant protein. That's the nutritional holy grail for anyone eating less meat, and hemp delivers it in a seed the size of a grain of rice. How to use them? Hemp hearts, the shelled version, have a mild, nutty flavor that disappears into almost anything. Add to smoothies, sprinkle over yogurt, mix into oatmeal. You won't taste them. You'll just benefit from them. Nigella seeds, also called black seed, black cumin, or kalonji. This is the one most people in the Western world have never tried, and one of the oldest recorded foods in human history. Archaeologists found Nigella seeds inside Tutankhamun's tomb. The Pharaoh of Egypt was buried with them in 1323 BC, which tells you exactly how valued these seeds were in the ancient world. In Arabic tradition, it is said that black seed is a cure for everything except death, a bold claim, and one that modern science has taken seriously enough to study. But the compounds in Nigella, particularly thymoquinone, have become a serious area of modern scientific research. This is a seed that predates organized farming. It was gathered wild because people understood its value before they even had words for nutrition. How to use it? Toast lightly and add to bread doughs. It's a classic in Middle, Eastern, and South Asian baking. Sprinkle over flatbreads, roasted vegetables, or rice dishes. The flavor is complex, slightly bitter, slightly peppery, entirely unique. Seeds are where life begins. Every plant on Earth starts as one. And for most of human history, they were also where our nutrition began, before processing, before refinement, before we started removing the parts that matter most. The ones on this list haven't changed. The Chia the Aztecs carried on long journeys. The sesame the Egyptians pressed into oil. The flax that wrapped their dead. They're the same seeds you can add to your breakfast tomorrow morning. Next video, every ancient grain explained. The grains that fed empires and why most of them disappeared from modern diets. Subscribe so you don't miss it.